Earn money with CPA marketing with one of the best CPA networks for beginners. Various ways for you to make money online without spending money. You can play video games online, take part in surveys, and then redeem it as cash. Welcome back to our channel, and in this video I will tell you how much money you can earn from these methods. Before we begin, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to never miss out on more videos. What is CPA marketing? CPA marketing is also known as cost per action marketing. It is a style of the affiliate marketing model that offers a commission to the affiliate when a specific action is completed. The lead action can be anything from purchasing to getting a quote, filling a survey, or watching a video. CPA Networks then promote these campaigns through affiliates. The CPA affiliates are paid a set fee each time a referred visitor completes the action or offer. How CPA marketing works. The CPA marketing model is a simplified concept once you break it down into how it works and who are involved. Affiliates or publishers are the influencer's blogger, business, brand that promotes a business to drive traffic to their e-commerce site and make a specific conversion. Advertisers and business is the brand that desires a partnership with an affiliate to drive quality traffic to their business website and generate leads, increase sales, or boost conversions. CPA Network is the platform that brings together the affiliates who desire to make money by promoting products and the businesses that desire their products promoted. For example, a popular cooking blogger named Lisa. The affiliate in this story hosts a healthy following of blog readers and YouTube subscribers. She learned how to start a blog to make a living in her kitchen, try new recipes, and recommend specific brands and products to her audience. After developing a strategy for guest blogging, building a cult following, and increasing web traffic, her cooking crowd got eager to buy the next kitchen gadget she recommends. Then, we have our example business, Easy Cooking. The brand manufactures high-quality kitchen gadgets from measuring cups to cutting boards and professional food processors to mixers. They are looking to expand their marketing reach and would love to take advantage of Lisa's audience and budding chefs. A CPA marketing network brings the organization Easy Cooking and Lisa together. E-commerce businesses like Easy Cooking utilize CPA networks to find and partner with influencers like Lisa. Influencers like Lisa who desire to make money doing what they love and engaging their audience can turn to CPA networks to explore organizations that want to pay her to use and promote their products. Lisa sends her audience to the organization's website and commissions each lead conversion or sale. In turn, Easy Cooking makes money from Lisa's referral traffic. The network brings them together and the audience gets to try new products and learn about emerging brands. It's a win-win. What is the best CPA network for beginners? Number 1, AdWork Media. AdWork Media is a US-based CPA affiliate network. It is a worldwide CPA affiliate network providing monetization solutions to its publishers and website owners. For incentive traffic, it is the best end to monetize their traffic. They have more than 50,000 publishers from around the world with 3,000 plus campaigns. Number 2, CPA Lead. CPA Lead is one of the world's best CPA networks for beginners. They have a good monetization option for beginners to make money online. For CPA Lead, you don't have to wait for account approval. All you have to do is create an account. And after creating, you can log in and start promoting offers. That's why this is one of the best instant approval CPA networks for everyone. Number 3, MGA Cash. MGA Cash is another fastest growing CPA network. They have very good reviews and also they are paying on time with no delay. That makes this network one of the best CPA networks for beginners. They also have very great offers to promote with a very good commission. Number 4, CPA Grip. CPA Grip is not the world's top CPA affiliate network, but this is one of the best CPA networks for beginners. They provide the best offers to promote. They also pay on time, so you don't have to wait so many days. This is the best alternative to CPA Lead. The best thing is you don't need any approval to join CPA Grip after sign up. You can log in and make money. They have 15,000 plus campaigns from all over the world. Number 5, AdSend Media. AdSend Media is a CPA affiliate network that was founded in 2009. The company headquarters is located in Austin, Texas, United States. AdSend Media is one of the best networks for incentive traffic. They do have a good trafficking system, so you don't have to worry about losing your leads. They don't have any requirements to join. All you have to do is fill up the information and create an account. How much can you make with these CPA networks? Making money with CPA networks is all about your skills and experience. Some expert CPA marketers make $3,000 a day with these CPA networks. You can choose any of them as per your suitability. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. And we will see you soon on our next video.